Okay, quick update for building one construction progress. Let me flip the camera around and show you. Parking lot's pretty much done. And today I'm going to take you to the upstairs unit, exact same unit type as the one I've been working, but the one on the second floor has a walk-in shower. So I wanted to show you all that. So let's go. Okay, here we are with building two. Once again, parking lot's done. Handicap access right here. But let's go ahead and walk upstairs. We got the tile guys working out here today, but let's check out this two bedroom, two bath unit. Okay, exact same unit type as we've done previously. Right here is going to be the water heater closet, right? And then right next to that is the laundry area. So shut those doors here. Walk in, you see we have all the texture done, all the painting is done, all the trim work is installed. That's looking good. Walk into the master bedroom here. Oh, right here, see that window has some red paint on it. It's getting replaced. That is a shower I wanted to show you. Yeah, second floor and third floor units throughout the property have the walk-in showers like that, which is nice. Then it's going to be the walk-in closet here. One thing I added on, and I don't know, it's just me, but I wanted shoe shelves, so I asked the architect to add those into the floor plans to separate us from the competition. Has wire shelves. Here's the master bedroom, and walking back out here into the main living area. This second floor unit kind of looks out over Deer Park Road. And here is the balcony. Well, open the door first. There we go. There's the balcony. Concrete balcony with a little bit of slope to it. Looks out at Deer Park Road in Decatur, Texas. Man, the wind catches that door. Here is the spare bedroom, or the second bedroom rather. And then this one just has a closet like that shelves already in. And then it has its little own entrance into the hall bath here, which opens up to the kitchen. And that is a tub, as you can see. Showers are in the master bedrooms. So, okay, that wraps up the unit construction update. Building number one, which this unit is in, is expected to be delivered in about 3.5 weeks. End of March, so yeah, third or maybe fourth week in March. That's phenomenal. We still are a few months ahead of schedule, and to all the partners out there watching this, Marathon, I want to thank you very much for your trust in us. We're excited to see units being delivered and the excellent progress on the construction. Thank you all very much, and hope you all have a wonderful March and spring break. Bye-bye.